Hello, today is the day of our winter wedding style shoot that we've been working on for a little while, and we're super excited to get to it.
For those of you who don't know what a style shoot is, it's when we get some models, different vendors, in this case they're all wedding related, and we all get together, put together a mock wedding, and we're gonna shoot it, we're gonna film it, everyone's gonna give their services. We have some flowers, dresses, suits, table decor, which we'll talk about more later during the shoot of who's involved in the style shoot, but we're really excited, it's finally here and it's all coming together.
Yeah, and as we are in Winnipeg, we're definitely surprised with the weather. Our original plan was to be outside for about 90% of the shoot with a little bit of indoor stuff, but looks like it's -40 today, which just, that's our luck, I guess. But no worries, we're going to shift our plan to shooting more inside, playing more with lighting, and hopefully it all turns out great. So the reason why we're doing this style shoot is to hopefully have a little fun, but also get together with a bunch of other vendors and kind of showcase our creative expertise, as well as some new trends that might be coming up this year.
And hopefully it'll inspire some real couples either this year in 2019 or even for next year 2020. So we're excited to show you guys what we got. So we're just going to pack up here and make our way down to see where our models are and St. Boniface. Here we go.
Boniface Golf Club, here we are. Looking good and cold today.
So we're here at St. Boniface Golf Club. We're just putting the final touches on everything. It's coming along really nice. We have Academy Florist. She's putting together our hoop. Finally just got our hoop up. Academy Florist decorated it with Pampas grass and we're super excited how it turned out. It took a little bit longer, but we kind of got it in place with some fishing line and it looks pretty good. And check out our table, beautiful tablecloth from Simply Perfect Decor. They did the place settings, the chairs, so yeah, we really love that. And thanks to Vanessa from VP Calligraphy and Design, she gave us a menu, invitations, some placeholders, and table number. And check out the cute little hoops from Academy Florist. So these are going to be our bouquets for today. A little boutonniere. And we have the models changing in the background, so once it all comes together, we'll show you guys what we have. So we've been spending the last couple of days going through the photos, going through the footage, and we're really excited how everything turned out.
Yeah, I mean, as we kind of predicted, it was pretty cold, so we didn't spend a lot of time outside, but luckily indoor came together really well with everything involved, so we just shot most of the shoot indoors at St. Boniface.
And we just want to thank all the vendors that were involved, and we're excited to show you guys what we got. Take a look.